So I've turned the machine on and I've homed the machine, and then I've gone and set my G54 Y position and my G54 X position. Now I want to go ahead and set the Z. So I'm currently loaded with tool 12, and I've just pulled that up with a little MDI program. So M6 change tool to tool 12, G43 H12 is the H12 offset, and then I've also set the spindle here to S2500, and then I've gone at my feed rate down to Z0, and that's where it's ended up. So that's the program that I just ran. Now I need to account for that. So I'm just going to turn the spindle on by pushing counterclockwise, and I'm going to change to my MPG. And then I'm just going to jog it down until it touches the work there. And you can be as careful or as rough as you need to be to get this to happen. So that's fine. So now that I have that set, I'm going to come back over to here. I'm going to switch to MDI mode. I can turn the spindle off now. I can go to offsets, and then this auto tool set. And then I'm going to use the drop set feature, so F3. Do you want to record the value? Yes. Okay, now that's done. So if I now go to my positions page, you'll see that the absolute position has now changed to 0. Okay, now I'm going to jog to the side, so back to MPG mode. I'm going to change to my x-axis and just jog the work away from the part, and I'm going to verify that it has set the correct settings. So I'll go to Program, MDI. I'm going to change the tool value to say tool 2, alter, H12, going to change that to H2, alter, and then I'll run that program. So cycle start. Actually, I'm going to change that F value as well to say F300, alter, and then I'm going to start that program. It'll do a tool change. Tool 2, and then it's going to jog down to my Z plane, and it should stop at exactly where the top of that part is. And I can again verify that by turning on the spindle. Turn on the spindle, go to my MPG, change to my x-axis, and just bring that in. So you can see there that it's just touching. So I might want to actually do a remeasure of the tool and just check the end of the tool is really clean, but you can see that that has indeed called up that offset for that tool.